At first, writing Maestro tests feels easy. You write a few flows, they work, they're readable. But then your app grows, and suddenly 17 tests break. Not because the logic changed, but because you copied the same steps everywhere. This is where most automation suites start to collapse. Not because Maestro is weak, but because there's no architecture. Automation scales, and anything that scales needs structure. Without architecture, UI changes break dozens of tests. Duplication spreads like a virus. Onboarding new engineers becomes painful, CI slows down, and teams lose trust in automation. In our Advanced Mobile Automation with Maestro course, we teach something most teams skip: how to design your test suite like engineers, reusable subflows, feature-based structure, one source of truth for shared logic. Because writing YAML is easy. Designing a system is what makes you senior. This isn't about over-engineering. It's about building automation that survives UI changes, team growth, and product evolution. If you want to move from writing tests to designing scalable automation systems, join Advanced Mobile Automation with Maestro. Stop writing scripts. Start building architecture.